boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. Okay, let's look at our number over here. We have been in school or at home learning for 67 days so far. So I'm going to add one more straw today to make this 68. Let me find my 8. All right, let's see where it is. There it is. Oh dear. Straws, numbers, they're everywhere. Okay, here we go. There. 68 days of school. Let's add another 1 over here. Can you guys help me count? Okay, let's do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. We are almost to 70, aren't we? We're just plugging right along. Okay, go ahead and grab your reader's notebook, and we will talk about what we're going to do for today. So, for today's lesson, for Wednesday, December the 9th, in your reader's notebook, you are going to do pages 156 all the way to 161, okay? So on page 156, 156, it looks like this. These words either have an ES, ED, or ING at the end. You need to tell me which sentence tells about the picture that it gives. So look at this picture of the cat. Do you guys see this cat? Okay, so it says the cat jumped or the cat sat. What'd the cat do? Well, he's not sitting, is he? Nope. He jumped. So I would circle the sentence that says the cat jumped. All right, now on page 157 and 158, you are going to think about an animal that lives in the ocean. You're going to draw one of those animals on this page and write why you think it's interesting. And then on page 158, you're going to do the exact same thing, except you're going to pick a different ocean animal and draw and write why this one is interesting. Now, over here on page 159, we've been talking about the TH. The TH makes the sound. It says, listen to the clues, read along, write the spelling word that fits each clue. So here's our choices. That, then, this, them, with, bath. So number 1 says rhymes with cat. What word rhymes with cat? That. So I would write that on the line, cross it off, and then I look at number 2. Rhymes with path. Which word over here from our box rhymes with path? I see bath. So I would write that on the line. Go ahead and do all of that page. Remember, it's words that are rhyming. And then on page 160, it talks about titles for people. It wants you to write the correct name, the names correctly. There's a boo-boo in them and you need to fix them. So before we look in our book, let's look up here at our chart. This says titles for people. Now, I have my name up here first. But look at this. It says Miss Mrs. Daniels. It's spelled correctly, right? But there's something missing. I need to always start with a capital. So I would change that lowercase m to a capital. Mrs., then a period. Now Daniels is my last name. Do we start our last name with a lowercase? No way, never, never, never. So Mrs. Daniels with a capital D. All right. Now let's look at this one. It says Mrs. Nikolai. What do I need to do? Oh, that's right, a capital M. Mrs. Put a period. Nikolai. Nikolai starts with a capital N. Now let's try one more. What about the music teacher? Mr. Black. What do I need to do for Mr. Black's name? Good, I need to make this M a capital. Capital M, R, period. Black is capitalized since that is his last name. Mr. Black. So on page 160, it's your job to write these names correctly. Okay, remember where we need our capitals, where we need our periods. And on your last page for today, page 161, you see 3 boxes. They want you to think about one of those ocean animals and write 2 facts. So you're gonna tell me your topic. This is where you could say, I think polar bears are very interesting. Polar bears live where it's cold. Polar bears have fur that keep them warm. So those would be your 2 facts, okay? Pick any ocean animal that we've talked about or maybe one we haven't even talked about. So, let me double check. Yes, that would be our last page, 161. So today, Wednesday, page 156 through 161. After you're finished, snap your picture, send it to me, and then we will do our math. But before I forget, let's go over these blue words. I totally forgot the very first thing. Okay, let's look at this first one. Do you remember what it is? Good, cold. This ocean water is very cold. How about number 2? Nice. Where? Sharks live where the ocean is deep. What about number 3? Good, that's a color word. Blue. Today, the ocean water looks blue. Number 4. Good, live. Whales live in all the oceans of the world. Number 5. Far. Squid swim far below the ocean's surface. And our last one, number 6. There. Their home is by the ocean. Nice job, boys and girls. Okay, so make sure you do page 156 through 161 in your reader's notebook, and I will see you soon.